Welcome back to Acme Classes Simply Maths, a one-point channel wherein all your queries relating to class 9th and 10th mathematics shall be resolved in a simplistic manner. This series of 7 videos deal with the chapter of trigonometry, and this first video in the 7-part series deals with basics of trigonometry. So let's begin. So before we even start the concept of trigonometry, we need to discuss what do you understand with the term ratio. So let us see. A ratio is a relationship between two or more values, and it's a comparison of two or more values. So A units per B units is the ratio. So let's say Papa elephant weighs 1000 kilograms and baby elephant weighs 500 kilograms. The ratio of Papa elephant weight to baby elephant weight is 1000 upon 500, which is equal to 2:1. Which in other words only means that Papa elephant weighs twice as much as the baby elephant does. Proceeding further. So let's start with the concept of trigonometry. Trigonometry is derived from a Greek word trigono, which means 3 angles, and metron means measure of those 3 angles. Trigonometry is that branch of mathematics which deals with triangles, particularly those triangles in which one of the angles is 90 degrees. In other words, with right angle triangles. So let's see. Now this is an example of a right angle triangle. Normally, if I was to ask somebody, identify the perpendicular, everybody would say this is the perpendicular and this is the base. Now to say that this is the perpendicular and this is the base is slightly incorrect. Perpendicular and base are always in relation to the specific angle being discussed. If we are looking from the perspective of the angle theta in the triangle, then the side opposite to this angle will be the perpendicular, and the side adjacent to this angle will be the base. So we try and avoid using the word perpendicular and base in trigonometry. We rather use the words opposite side and adjacent side, wherein the opposite side represents the perpendicular and adjacent side represents the base. So let's discuss the 3 basic trigonometric ratios: sine, cosine and tangent. To understand or memorize the concept ratio sine, cosine and tangent, we learn or memorize the terms or phrases so, ka, toa. Sine theta, and if I say sine theta, I'm finding the ratio between the sides of a right angle triangle in terms of the angle theta. So sine of angle theta is the ratio between opposite side and hypotenuse. So opposite side being the side opposite to the angle theta, and hypotenuse, there is only one hypotenuse in a right angle triangle, and there should be no doubts regarding that. Ka, C-A-H, C stands for cosine. So cosine of angle theta will be adjacent side upon hypotenuse. So cosine is the ratio between the adjacent side and the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle with respect to a particular angle. And tangent theta is nothing but opposite side upon adjacent side. Again it is in relation to the angle theta. So sine theta is a ratio of the 2 sides of a triangle, namely the opposite side and the hypotenuse. Cosine theta is the ratio of the 2 sides of a triangle, namely the adjacent side and the hypotenuse. Tangent theta is the ratio of the 2 sides of a triangle, namely the opposite side and the adjacent side. So trigonometric ratios sine, cosine and tangent are called ratios because they are comparison of 2 sides of a right angle triangle. 3 more ratios derived from the same are cosecant theta, which is the inverse of sine theta, secant theta, which is the inverse of cosine theta, and cotangent theta, which is the inverse of tangent theta. So these are the 6 trigonometric ratios: sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant, cotangent. I hope you have understood the concept of trigonometric ratios. So if you have a look at this list of all the videos relating to the series of trigonometry, so video number 2 to 7 deals with problems based on heights and distances. Since most of the children have problems in that particular part of trigonometry as opposed to anything else. In the end, I would like to say, if you like what we shared, please do like, subscribe, share, comment and press the bell icon. Thank you, have a nice day and good luck.